Hi, it's Tony from Custom PCs Australia. Today I'm just going to show you a very quick one. It's how to copy and paste on Mac. So essentially we're going to use our command key. So go to anything that you want to copy. I'm just going to show you in Notepad here. So I'll just type some text. Now once you've done that, highlight the text that you want to copy. Now just press Command and C. So Command and C is the copy. And then you can go and paste that anywhere. So press Command and V, and that will then paste exactly what you've copied as many times as you want to. This works for photos, files, anything in folders. So anything that you want to copy, literally press Control C, and then wherever you want it to go to, you're just going to press Command V. So that's it. That's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Cheers. We will see you in the next one.